Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, and of course this is intraday for Bitcoin. Based on the 1 hour chart here, we're gonna see what happened and what it might happen next. So basically, we saw this impulse since yesterday. We are potentially here in ABC 3 waves finished, and we're looking at 1, 2, 3. The wave 3 is finished right now, and of course the wave 4 is not done. This is a very shallow wave 4 based on the wave 2. Therefore, I'm looking, of course, for something here even to finish up this wave, because if we dive a little bit deeper here, you will realize that you are in a potential zigzag. So probably here as a potential zigzag wave 1, or it can be, of course, itself an ending diagonal, because this is in zigzag wave 2, wave 3, and then wave 4, wave 5. However, the wave 3 is longer there from the wave 1, which is not nice. Therefore, it's better, of course, to consider this as a kind of like an ending diagonal there, unfolding before starting a wave 4. The wave 4 is taken, of course, from this wave 2 over there, which it has a little bit here a range of time, which is required as well for a wave 4 before we continue the drop for lower. But even the wave 4 here target are not yet 100%, because, of course, as I mentioned, you might still be expecting something as an ending diagonal, which it might change a little bit the price over there or the fib levels for a wave 4. Now, currently, we did not took the low yet, meaning the possibility for 3 waves corrective toward the upside is still open there, in case that the things are going to push for higher again and take, of course, the invalidation here for anything bearish, right? Invalidation of bearish. And that means, of course, this price, 90K 519, is gonna, of course, confirm that we might take the high one more time. Can be 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in a regular flat before we continue toward the downside, meaning, of course, an extended wave 4 to this side. And of course, as a reminder, guys, that the channel here is not to give like a signals on like, oh, are we going exactly up or down? I always give both scenarios, the upper and the lower, and I always support every single analysis with invalidation of bearish or of bullish, or confirmation for lower prices, or confirmation for higher prices. Yesterday, because of course I got some comments, sarcastic comments, of course, like, oh, you was predicting yesterday we move for higher. Well, they always forget that I give both case scenario, and I give always confirmation for lower. And I mentioned that in case that we're gonna take the confirmation for lower there, because this is looking kind of like a corrective sideways, we might still be looking for higher, and the market can change at any time while sleeping. Okay, so I cannot follow it 100% or 24/7, guys. So the market, of course, can change at any second, and how you know it is just by simply, of course, following the confirmation and the invalidation. So it was there. So you should already have, of course, your risk management there based on it and everything. So it's not there to say that, yes, we're going high and that's it. I mean, of course, it can change. Otherwise, I wouldn't put this, because, of course, I'm expecting that, yes, the market might reverse against us. So, and by the way, you didn't even took the low yet, and you still have the possibility for 3 ways up. So sometimes, I don't know, guys, you rush with your comments without thinking, and okay, it's fine. But the thing is that it would be nice just to stay kind, at least. This is the most important in the channel, because of course, I mean, some people get banned on the channel because of this, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean, I cannot handle such sorry guys, such behaviors on the channel. So basically, this is what we are looking for. The probabilities are still there, of course, for 3 waves, in case, of course, invalidation is 90K, but even much clearer invalidation would be passing through this blue box here without continue the drop down. So if we start to see some strengths here, and it depends, of course, on the structure, 5 ways up, 3 down, and continuation, that is, of course, a signal that, yes, we are pushing toward the upside, taking this is even higher probability, and that, of course, you might be in something in 3 waves, a regular flat, for example, and then pushing down. All right. So this is regarding Bitcoin. If we take a look also on the KGT as well on the 5-minute chart, we have of course a divergence here, but of course previously we see of course a 3 bearish signal. Now the last two kind of like showed a strength and of course kind of like a convergence, but yeah, we still have of course a divergence here. Can we see something pushing for higher? Because this signal is of course lower than the previous one, and the price action didn't took it yet. Now on the 1-minute chart, if you dive a little bit inside it, you will see that yeah, you don't have any kind of divergence for bullish. It is invalidated. And yeah, we might of course get this pressure coming from the bearish signals there, knowing that they are not also so much in convergence. This is higher, but yeah, we saw of course a very strong drop down. Now probably it can be the signal that we might still be in an ABC regular flat, 3 ways up, 3 down, and 1 2 3 4 5. So we gotta watch, guys. Nobody knows. The market always, of course, try to trick us and to flip on us. So that is the thing. The targets, the fib levels, the confirmation, and the invalidation are always there to help you. So that was it for Bitcoin the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in